'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the warehouse, not a creature was stirring, except for the mouse. Santa was checking his inventory with care. He sure was glad that Kechie ERP was there. The sleigh had been loaded, and the barcodes were scanned, so that Santa will have all the right gifts on hand. He will check on his deliveries all in real time, and he's confident the data will be accurate and fine. The interface is friendly. It's easy to use. He'll know exactly what's happening. Santa won't be confused. His tablet will access Kechie's data via the cloud. His mission will proceed so smoothly, it will make him real proud. The elves use it too. The teamwork is great. So all presents were ready in time for the date. So for those of you looking for a nice Christmas gift, get Kechie for your team. It will give all a lift.